Hello friends. In the ever-evolving world of automotive luxury, BMW consistently innovates, and its beauty has no boundaries. As we step into 2025, BMW is all set to redefine the concept of opulence and performance with the launch of the much-awaited 2025 BMW 9 Series. The 9 Series represents BMW's decades of engineering and design expertise. It is much better than just a car. This is a definitive proof of the brand's continued pursuit of excellence. With this extraordinary flagship series, BMW aims not only to meet the high expectations of discerning drivers and performance enthusiasts, but also to outperform other cars currently available. At first glance, the 2025 BMW 9 Series reveals a lack of refinement with BMW's iconic kidney grille lines and meticulously crafted. It also exhibits features that make it a category of its own. But behind its stunning exterior lies a blend of cutting-edge technology and performance that delivers a compelling driving experience. Apart from that, according to some reports, it is also said that this model of BMW 9 Series is going to be a completely new model for other countries, including America and Canada, as well as it will include all the safety and convenience. It became known that most likely the prototype of the new product will be a concept model of the sedan BMW Vision Future Luxury concept, which representatives of the Bavarian automaker showed at the Beijing Motor Show. However, it was learned that the sedan of the 9th Series will be able to offer the highest level of comfort for passengers in the back row. 2 separate seats, which are equipped with a variety of functions including massage, ventilation, various position adjustments, etc. In addition, each of the passengers sitting in the back will be able to use a separate touchscreen monitor, as well as an advanced multimedia system. Now, a couple of words about the engine range of the BMW 9 Series sedan, by the way. According to available information, the 9th Series will be presented exclusively as a sedan. Under the hood of the novelty will be the most powerful motors, which are only in the arsenal of the German automaker BMW, including V-shaped 6.6-liter engine, which is equipped with as many as 12 cylinders. The power of this monster can be 600 HP. There is also information, according to which BMW plans to release a hybrid modification of the 9 Series sedan, under the hood of which will be installed a turbo engine, as well as an electric motor. Unfortunately, BMW has not yet given any information about the new release date. According to some rumors, we can say that the new 9 Series could be launched anytime before the end of next year for the 2025 model year. However, BMW has not revealed any information about its release date yet. But if any information is available in future, we will update here on our website. But if any information comes to light in the future, we'll be sure to cover it in our next few videos.